So hello everyone, welcome back, and it's been a long time since no see, and now I'll try to be consistent as I'm going to start with a new series that you will be coming to know in the upcoming video. So stay tuned. So let's start. So Zomato and Blinkit approximately charge 30% of the commission over a single order, even if a small kirana shop is making a 10k a day, but 3k is sent as a commission and there is no alternative for it. So I decided to create one. So the problem is not about the delivery, neither of the riders, because there exist n number of drivers in the every area and n number of the local shops in every area. The missing piece is the software that's lacking between them, and that platform is locked behind these massive companies who are taking a massive cut. What if there is a platform that does not take commission, is open source, and is accessible to every local dealer or every local shop that is present in your area, with n number of the local drivers or the riders that are available in your area? So that's what I am planning to build, an open source self-deployed platform. And here's how it works. So there will be a shop, let's assume a shop A, where he will list all his products over that platform, and then there will be my server that will be locally self-hosted, that will be into my bedroom obviously, and we will have an app, right? So basically the shop owner sign up, enter his details, enter his credential, enter his products and all other stuff, right? Then everything goes on to my server. Then there is a user who wants to order something. So basically what will happen, the user will place an order based on the list that is provided, and if that specific item is available in a shop A, then it will be redirect to the shop owner that he wants this is amount of the item and all that stuff. Then after the request is accepted by the shop owner, then we will run an algorithm which is basically like a Zomato or a Blinkit, where you will find the local riders in your area, and based on that algorithm you will be located with the nearest rider that is ready to deliver your order, and a small cut of that will be given to the rider as well. So basically profiting both the sides, as well as local market dealer as well as the rider. So there will be no commission and nothing at all. So I am planning to build this with some modern new technologies and a modern tech stack. So primarily I'm thinking to go with the React Native for the front end. Then for the backend, I am planning to do two stuff, that is Nginx as well as the Golang, using the gRPC for the fast communication. As I'm trying to make this app generally faster, which will look like a more modern scaled app, which will like fascinate. Yeah, this is really clean, this is really fast and all that stuff. And I will also try to cut off so basically I was just trying to cut off the milliseconds response to some microseconds or something like that, because HTTP takes a lot of the time if we compare it with the gRPC. So that's the reason why I'm planning to do that. And for the admin panel, that will be managed by me or any specific person that will be given to it, and it will be open source. Obviously you can run it into your local area as well. For that panel, I'm thinking to use the Nginx, which will basically allow us to do multiple sites, rendering and all that stuff. And here comes the most interesting fact, that is I'll be integrating AI into it. Basically it will suggest the shop owners or the customers based on the weather, the condition or the availability, what should be restocked or what should be ordered based on that. And if the customer is ordered, then he will also get the personal insight based on his order history and everything, what he should order or what might be required based on that. And we also provide some customized notification just like the way Zomato and Blinkit does, just a small clingy but a sweet kind of notifications. We will also try that as well. So everything you will be seeing will be built in the public, and every week I will show you what I am doing, why I am doing, and why I use this specific kind of thing. So that's it. Stay tuned. This is going to be a large series because I am going to self-host it, and this will be a built-in public. So basically, if you want to contribute, you can go to my GitHub. Basically, in the next video, I will create the repository as well as push some basic backend code where we will just write a very simple code base, and I will walk you through over that as well. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for this series and subscribe if you want to really learn something more about the developers and want to get into something which, or to know how the production based apps actually work. So that's it. Stay tuned. See ya. Till then, peace out. Bye.